Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the notifications in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it, and once you are in this page you should look once again in the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it, and here you should select the second option on the list, which is notifications. After doing so, you can enable or disable all the notifications by pressing on allow notifications. You can see if I disable it, all of the below notification options will also be disabled. If I allow it, all of them will be allowed. Now, if you want to customize separately, you can activate or deactivate the downloads, your watch list and library, or the recommended for you, the new app features and the special offers, and you can just separately activate or deactivate them. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.